Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are again back with the restocked collection of fancy soft silk sarees. All these sarees are light in weight, soft in nature and easy to carry. Beautiful and unique putta designs are there running throughout the body along with a contrast rich pallu and a contrast plain blouse. Beautiful and symmetrical borders in both sides, enhancing the elegance of these collections. And this beautiful collection you are getting in an offer price of 850 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states the shipping charges be from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. Kindly note, our payment is through online only. You can either directly transfer to the account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. And also, if you guys wanted a quicker update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. The links are there in the description. We are having separate groups for cotton sarees and silk sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.